I think we found him. Wait, hold up. I think we should try this. 2 through 14. Oh, these are key carded. Dude, I don't know how we managed to get on these. Oh, we're going up.
We can probably only go to this floor.
I don't know.
Probably shouldn't have pressed all the buttons.
Whoa, we're going up. Whoa, we just keep going up, dude. Where are we going? Oh my God, look.
Should we just go out in 14?
Oh, we almost made it all the way up. Hold up. Oh, are you going down?
One floor, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Could jump stairs, but you know, old lady.
Yeah, it's all good. We're on 13, actually.
You know, I knew, you know. Which one? Let's do that one. We'll just do that. Don't mind our business.
All right.
I know, 13, I was like,
Wow.
What?
Nothing's just...
Are you monitoring yours though?
No, I just like elevators, that's all.
Really?
Yeah. I know, it's kind of a weird hobby, but...
I like them until it goes, you know what I mean?
Yeah, these things...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
You too.
Dude, I don't know how we just managed to get on these. This is the tallest building on campus. And the door was literally wide open. Hold up, did I get the certificate? There.
They're all probably the same.
Yeah, they're all locked off, because of course this is one of the dorms.
We lucked out that she used her card.
Yeah. These are old Westinghouses. Yeah, let's just...